I love home security tech and have several cameras and a smart doorbell that do exactly what I need. Or so I thought. Recently, I've been testing out the brand new Aqara G4 Smart Video Doorbell, which packs a whole load of exciting high-tech extras. This battery-powered video doorbell offers 24/7 video recording, a full 1080p sensor, 7 days of cloud storage, and more. Let's go and take a look. There are plenty to choose from when it comes to smart video doorbells. However, the Aqara G4 offers more for free than its competitors. It offers free cloud storage and is compatible with all of your smart devices from Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit, with support for HomeKit Secure video, so it's perfect for Apple users. The Aqara G4 is available for $119.99 in the US and UK, and comes in shadow grey, which is the one I have, or black. Check out the link in the description and pinned comment below for more details and the latest offers. In the box, the Aqara G4 doorbell comes with a user manual, screwdriver, and a USB-C power cable, which is used to power an included door chime. In addition, 6 AA batteries are included, as well as a wedge bracket, which is very handy for helping with the placement of the doorbell. And you're also provided with screws and fixings. You can connect the Aqara G4 to your home Wi-Fi via 2.4 GHz and is also weather resistant with an operating temperature of 0 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit and an operating humidity of 0 to 95%. It's powered by 6 regular AA batteries, which is much better for your pocket as many other doorbells require you to use expensive lithium ones. Aqara says you can get up to 4 months of use with regular batteries, or bypass using batteries altogether and hardwire the doorbell if you can. You can use the batteries as backup power if you do hardwire. A 162-degree wide-angle lens and full 1080p resolution provide crisp footage from the Aqara G4 doorbell. The included door chime allows you to add your own micro SD card for up to 512 gigabytes of local storage. However, there are no subscription fees and using cloud storage is free. Recordings are stored for 7 days with Aqara or 10 days with iCloud storage via HomeKit Secure Video if you have a compatible iCloud Plus plan. And if free cloud storage isn't a big enough deal for you, perhaps some of the other high-tech features will impress you, such as voice disguising and face recognition to customize ringtones for specific visitors. To install the Aqara G4 doorbell and chime, you have 2 options. Either use the fixing screws that come in the box, or for an easier install option, use the large sticky pads on the back. Once you've installed the doorbell and chime, setup is easy. First, download the Aqara app, which you can get from your App Store or by scanning the QR code. Next, hold down the pair button and select Add New Device. Then select the Smart Video Doorbell G4 and follow the on-screen instructions. The doorbell is now ready to be used. When someone approaches, the large button will flash blue, plus if you use the intelligent face recognition tech, once the doorbell is pressed, you'll not only be notified that someone is at your door,
someone is at the Smart Video Doorbell G4,
but Aqara can also tell you who it is. In the Aqara app, there are 3 working mode settings. Normal mode, where all the functions are working and available. Power saving mode, where the camera will not be woken up by motion, so it will only record when someone presses the doorbell. And external power supply mode, which will automatically enable if you hardwire the doorbell. With the Aqara app on the main screen with your video feed, you have options across the top to change the resolution, pop out the video feed, toggle the audio from the camera on or off, and go full screen. Below you have options to take a screenshot and start a recording. Both of these are saved in the Aqara cloud. Choosing the Start a Two-Way Audio option is where you will see voice changing options. Cloud recordings and some additional settings can be found by selecting the 3 dots in the top corner of the app. This is where you'll find albums that contain your recordings and screenshots. Selecting more settings takes you to an area where you can check your doorbell signal, change the ringtone, restart the doorbell, and more, such as a Do Not Disturb mode in which you can set a specific time for the doorbell not to ring. You can also check your SD storage if you have it and the face recognition settings. Now let's talk about quality. The 162-degree wide-angle lens gives a landscape view in 1080p resolution. Depending on your setup, the landscape view could be a good or bad thing. The wide-angle lens gives me a much clearer picture of what is happening. I was particularly impressed with the night vision. My garden gets very dark at night, but the Aqara G4 easily captured movement and gave some good detail. And if you're worried about security in unlit areas at night, you can use the two-way audio to converse with whoever is at your door, so you don't have to open it. Overall, the Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4 is a solid choice if you are in the market for an all-in-one solution for a smart doorbell. However, the points that made this doorbell stand out the most for me are easy installation, 24/7 recording, free cloud storage, some really exciting tech for customizations that haven't yet been seen in any other doorbell, such as voice changing and face recognition. Remember to check out the link in the description and pinned comment below for more details and the latest offers. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and helps to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers. And I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow.